Hello, in this video I want to show you how to factory reset your Oculus Meta Quest 2. And to do this you need to get the Oculus app. Now open the menu. Here find the devices. Scroll down to find advanced settings. Inside you can factory reset your device. Now other way to do it is to take your device. Now power it off and hold the volume minus key along with the power key for a few seconds until your device opens in a boot menu. That way you'll be able to navigate through that menu with a volume down, volume up key, find factory reset and restart your device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.